And in relationships, whether romantic or friendly, being a good listener can actually bring people closer. Hi friends, welcome back to English Friend 360, your friendly space to level up your English skills. I'm sure many of you may feel, I know grammar, I know the words, but when I try to speak, something goes wrong. It's like I'm forcing it and the person in front of me just doesn't get me properly, right? If so, don't worry. Today I'm going to share 4 powerful tips that can help you speak English more naturally and confidently. So stick with me till the end of this video, and before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And coming to the topic, tip number 1, be a great listener. Now you might be wondering and asking me, we are talking about speaking skills, then why are you starting with listening skills? Right? Well, here is the secret. Friends, good communication always begins with good listening. Okay? So let me tell you why. When you truly listen, the other person feels valued and that builds trust. And it cuts down misunderstandings because you actually understand what they mean. Apart from that, it prevents unnecessary conflicts. You know, many of the arguments happen just because the other person is not really listening. And in relationships, whether romantic or friendly, being a good listener can actually bring people closer. Okay, so next time you are in a conversation, just pause and really listen. It makes a big difference. Okay, and tip number 2, use smart phrases to respond. Okay, now that you are listening well, what's next? When it's your turn to talk, don't jump in with random words. Instead, start with natural phrases like, that's interesting because I see what you mean, that's true actually, etc. So, these little expressions make your conversation smoother and show that you are really engaged. Moreover, it helps you by a few seconds to think about what to say next. So, always try to use smart phrases like this in your conversations. Okay. And tip number 3, tell a simple story. Everyone loves stories, right? So, instead of just giving dry facts, try framing what you say like a mini story. Think of it like a movie with 3 parts. Number 1, situation, in which you can talk about what happened. Number 2, action. You can explain what you or someone else did. And number 3, result. I mean, what was the outcome? For example, if your friend is sharing a problem, then you can relate it by sharing your own short story that follows this format. It makes the conversation deeper and more memorable. And finally, tip number 4, practice before you speak. Practice before you speak. You know, I know you have heard this before, but trust me, most people skip this part. If you are giving a presentation or joining a meeting or even having a casual chat, rehearse a little. Talk to yourself in the mirror, record your voice, or just say things out loud. This builds confidence and helps you avoid awkward pauses. Okay? You know, the more you practice, the more natural it feels, just like learning to ride a bike, right? Alright, these are the 4 tips that can help you speak English more naturally and confidently. Let's have a quick recap of these 4 smart ways to improve your communication. Number 1, be a great listener. Number 2, use smart phrases to respond. Number 3, tell a simple story. And number 4, practice before you speak. Okay? And friends, start using this today and you will see a big change in your communication and in your and how you connect with people in English. That's all I want to talk about in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and drop a comment. What's the one thing you will try practicing today? And remember, your journey of fluent English starts with one small step at a time. See you in the next video only on English Friend 360. Thanks for watching. Bye.